Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to find out the value of a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta. The given thing tan theta equal to b by a. So here first I am going to write the given. So given tan theta equal to b divided by a. Now we already know about the sin 2 theta. The formula is, so here given is on the tan theta, so we are going to break sin 2 theta into tan theta form. So here the formula is tan 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula, and here there is one more cos 2 theta. So we already know 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. So these two formula that require sin theta formula, or the other is 2 sin theta into cos theta, so we don't need to change that. So we need to remember these two formulas. So here going to write a cos 2 theta divided by b sin 2 theta. Now a into cos 2 theta, so just write 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now b sin 2 theta, this is the formula, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now thereafter tan theta equal to b by a. So we can write a 1 minus, so here tan square theta, then it come b square by a square. The same thing, 1 plus b square by a square plus b into 2 b by a tan theta. Now 1 plus b square by a square. Now hereafter, so just to solve this and you will get the correct output. So here a just going to write 1 and a square LCM, that come a square. 1 divided to a square come a square multiply with 1. So here a square divided with a square, 1 come 1 multiply with b square. So here b square that come. Now the same thing, going to take the LCM. So here a square come 1 divided with a square come a square multiply with 1. So this is a square divided with a square, 1 come 1 multiply with b square. So this is the b square. Now here if I multiply with this all, so it come to b square and a, and here taking the LCM, so a square is the LCM, 1 divided with a square come a square multiply with 1. So a square divided with a square, 1 come 1 multiply with b square. So this is b square come. Now hereafter we need to solve this. So here a square that going to cancel, and 1a cancel with 1a. So in up there a square minus b square that come divided by a square plus b square. Now hereafter you already know p, q, x, y. So we can write p, q, y that go up, x down. So same thing, a will go up. So here write 2 b square, a go up, and in down there a square plus b square. Now here we need to solve this. So here you can see a and a square b square, that is common. So a and a square plus b square, that going to take the common. So here that rest a square minus b square, and here 2b square, that come. This one and this one, that I take the common. Now b square 2b square, so b square and 2b square, just writing b square 2b square minus b square, that come b square. So here you can see this is in multiplication, this will cancel with this one. So finally a come. So a is the answer. So here finally we get the value of a cos 2 theta plus b sin 2 theta, the value is a. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching, see you next week. Thank you.